Good morning, students. In today class, we will discuss about modals. In previous class, we have discussed about modal can. In this class, we also just discuss remaining of the modals. Next one is could. Could. This is the past tense form of can. Could is the past tense form of can. This is the past tense form of can. Could is used in direct speech. In direct speech. If we write any sentence in the direct speech, for example, he said, they can. Suppose this is the example in the direct speech. If we translate in this sentence to indirect sentence, that he said that they could do it. It means this sentence is written in indirect speech. In whenever we also write any sentence which is also written in direct speech with the model of can, those sentence we transform direct to indirect, that we can use could. After that, past ability. Past ability, capability. In this sentence, in the can express present ability, present capability, but could express past ability and capability. For example, when I was young, I could drive a car. It means this sentence express past ability. To express past ability, past capability, that we can use could. If we want to remove the could, that we can use was able. Next, another example. He could qualify the exam. It means it was the ability of the person. The person that he could qualify the exam. It means there was the capability, there was the ability to qualify exam. If we want to remove this model, that we can use he was able to qualify the exam. In this sentence, the sense is the same. In this example, sense is the same, but in first we use modal, but in second we also use able word. In the first there is the use of could. In second example, that we remove could, we use was able. And in form of the can, that is able, am able. These are the sense in the can. In the sense of could, that was able, were able. Next one is to express polite request. To express polite request. Polite request. Polite request, it means more polite. More polite. In the form of formal. if there is formal request that we can use can, but more polite, humble request that we can use could. For example, could I use your book? It means the speaker also making more polite request. In this sense, we can use could. After that, unfulfilled wishes, to express unfulfilled wishes. Yeah, in other sense, in conditional sentences, unfulfilled wishes and conditional sentence या condition to express condition. For example, if he were a minister, he could buy an aeroplane. This is the conditional sentence. There is the conditional sentence and unfulfilled wishes. In these senses that we can use could. देखो, if he were a, in this sentence you also just mind there is also the use of were with the he, but in the formal way that we can use was, but unfulfilled wishes that we can use were and could. Next one is to express suggestion. You could talk, for example, you could talk to DC on this connection या on this matter. It means you are suggesting something. If you want to give suggestion, that we can use could. Next one, in phrasal form. If we want to express any phrase, for example, he could not help going there. He could not help going there. It means this is the phrasal sentence and this also shows the foundation of the past. It means he could not help going there. Some students think that कि इसकी सेंस यार ये हिंदी में कि वह वहां जाने में मदद नहीं कर सकता, बट द सेंस ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस इज डिफरेंट. इट मीन्स कि वो वहां जाए बगैर नहीं रह सकता था. दिस इज द फ्रेजल फॉर्म ऑफ द could. That's all in this could. Now we will discuss in the next lecture. Thanks.